Philippines?
You're from the Philippines.
Yes, how about you?
I'm looking for a fourth wife. Will you be fourth wife?
Aray ko.
Putik
Fourth wife.
ka.
I need a fourth wife. Are you clean? You got hair?
I don't have
I
hair.
need I
Only
need
in
more
my head.
wives.
Only in
Just
my
the
head.
head on you don't have hair down below?
Oh. How about you?
Oh, I got very
Do you have so many hair? Where are you
Yeah, I got
from?
4 wives. I'm looking. Are you virgin?
You have 4 wives.
I got 4 wives. I'm
Where
looking
are
for
you
the 5th
from?
wife.
Wait. Sir Maverick, are you Islam?
Am I who?
Your religion, are you Islam?
I'm Pakistani.
Pakistani. Then in your
Yeah. I'm Muslim. Muslim.
wait. In your religion, will authorize the more one or more wives in your country?
Oh yes. I'm allowed 15
Okay.
and
Are
2
you, are you-
goats.
okay. Are you ready, Sugar?
To what?
Goats.
Yeah. Just
Magiging tupa
You're
ka daw.
very pretty, but your nose a little big.
Big what?
what did you say?
Yeah, her
My
nose
nose.
a little big.
Okay. Would you mind to shut up a little bit? Of
No,
course.
you can't talk to me like
I
that.
Yeah.
You gonna
You
be my
can't talk to
wife.
me like that. Okay. You listen to me. This my nose. Okay. This is organic from Philippines. Show your face. I'll
No,
tell
you
you.
had
Yeah.
work done on your
Your
nose.
nose also is very long, like a witch.
It's
Yeah.
because it's been up a lot. I do a
Where are
lot
you
of
from
sniffing.
originally? Like that? Okay. So where are you from?
I'm
No, it's
from
not right.
Pakistan.
Originally? But why you have American flag?
Oh, the American flag. I got a wife in America.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
And
and I
then
got a
how about
wife
the
in
other one?
Indonesia.
Philippines.
Yes, I got 4 wives. 4
Oh,
wives.
you have 3. Okay.
No, I got
Yeah.
a 4. You to be 5. I want to
You
be my
just said
wife.
you are lying to us. You just
I'm
said
not
4th wife.
lying.
Okay.
No, I'm
First, you need
Muslim.
to ask Miss Sugar if Miss Sugar is still a virgin.
Are you still a virgin?
I'm not virgin anymore.
Oh, I need a virgin.
I need it.
I'm looking for virgins.
I still have
You
the second
what?
hole. The second hole.
Oh, you got the second hole.
Visit ko
Oh,
naman lang
is
to.
that a
Huwag mo akong
virgin?
inaano.
Is
Kala
that a
mo,
virgin hole?
ha? Yes.
Is your second hole a virgin?
And my nose also. And my ears.
Oh,
Huwag
you're
mong
like
inaano ang
Uranus.
Pilipina. Oh. What, sorry?
What?
What did you say?
I said Uranus.
Yes.
Have you ever been to Uranus?
What is that?
Uranus, the big planet. Uranus is big.
Yeah, okay. Baliw ata to.
Big.
Yeah, baliw ata itong pinaakit.
Mr. Maverick.
You're too
Miss
quiet. I
Sugar,
can't hear.
Mr. Maverick.
Buang.
I think Miss Sugar is not qualified for being a wife.
Oh, I don't like her anyway. She looks
I don't like
smelly.
it too.
No,
Smelly.
you look smelly.
My
Look.
ass is smelly. If I sleep still.
You find
How about
somebody
you?
else. You find someone else. I go find virgin.
I have actually found gago.
Anong nakita sa iyo? Bakit ikaw yung tinawag niya?
Gago.
Ha?
Fans lang naman ako sa comment section.
Ha?
By the way, host, it's really nice to meet you here.
Oo.
Yung ano mo yung program, it's really funny.
So bakit ikaw yung tinarget niya sa baba? Paano kayo
It's my best friend.
Yawa.
It's a prank. It's really nice to meet you, host. Thank you so much.
I hate you, Maverick. Shit. Friend mo si Maverick.
It's my best friend.
Thank you, Maverick.
Thank you so much, host. Thank
Nasa
you.
ano ka? Nasa Pakistan ka?
Sa UK. No. I live in UK and he's American.
So, paano kayo nagkakilala?
Here in TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, thank you.
Meron na siyang jowa. Engaged na sila. Yeah.
So, totoo at apat asawa niya.
Sorry? No. He's single. Yan.
English mo karon yan. Ang dugo na di ilong kagina pa. Tapos yung English yung pakakarma.
Gatay.
Sige, thank you ha.
Yeah,
Sugar.
thank you so much. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye.